Hi, my name's Jamie at Precision Oven Cleaning, and I wanted to just talk about one of the questions I often get asked on a weekly basis, and that is, why can't I clean my oven myself? Well, there's several reasons for that. The products you get off the shelf, I won't mention the brands, but some of them can be a foam spray, or some equally can be, when we look at this oven, where you pop the racks into a clear bag. Those actually contain sodium hydroxide, otherwise known as caustic soda, which is a very, very harsh chemical. Yes, it does clean, but it actually, from my experience, and when I look at ovens on a daily and weekly basis, actually damages the longevity of the oven. So it can damage the oven racks themselves, where they're joined here. It can actually peel the metal off in some cases. And also, on the base of the oven, pop that over there, it can actually damage the surface of the oven as well, because the chemical is so harsh that physically the only way you can clean it yourself without calling a professional in would be to use those products, which not only, as I've just highlighted, damage the oven itself, they also emit very harsh fumes, so the oven would have to be burnt off for several hours after that cleaning process with yourself. Another two quick reasons are, at the back of the oven, which you can't quite see, there's a fan plate and a fan behind that. And behind that is an element. So if any of that caustic soda were to spill on the element, it can actually damage, that potentially would mean that would need to be replaced. And lastly, because the chemicals are so harsh, if you were to spill any of them on any metal surfaces, such as the front panel here, or even your drawer fronts, that can actually corrode that product as well. So it's really one of those things that I personally wouldn't have it in my house because it's such a harsh chemical, and I certainly wouldn't want it in my customers' homes. So those are just several reasons why really the only way to get the oven properly clean to a high standard is to call a professional. Many thanks.